my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome, and today I'm going to be showing you just one glass of natural homemade drink that would eradicate all of your belly fat. Now, some of the causes of belly fat is poor diet, lack of sleep, lack of exercise, and and others. Okay, so since you've actually known this, you would have to be cautious about poor diet. You have to sleep, you have to you don't have to eat when it is past 7 or 6, okay, so that your food could digest and your stomach could be empty and you're gonna sleep and wake up really light. Well, this homemade drink would help you to get rid of your belly fat and you are going to be loving it. Okay, so let's dive into the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and thumbs up. Alright guys, so to remove belly fat, you're going to be needing to use green tea. Now, green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet. Yes, it is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. This includes improvement of the brain function, and it also helps to reduce the risk of cancer and many other diseases. It helps to remove belly fat, stubborn stomach fat, and general body weight. And you're also going to be needing to use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to lower fat cells in the body, and it reduces cholesterol. It lowers sugar level, improves symptoms of diabetes, and it also helps for brain functions. It helps to clean the colon, and it also helps for indigestion. And also you're going to be making use of lemon. Now, lemon is citric in nature and it contains vitamin C and many numerous benefits that helps to lower the rate of fat in the body. Now, because of the acidic content, it helps to fight and reduce the fat cells, and it also helps to flush out toxins from the body. Now, this is optional guys, this is organic honey. Alright, so using organic honey would help you to lower fat cells. Okay, now this is a natural sweetener, so it's not going to increase your cholesterol level. Instead, it's going to decrease it, and it's going to help your body function and your brain function really well. Alright guys, so to mix this all up, you're going to be needing to use warm water, or rather hot water. Okay, so I have here hot water in this flask. Okay, so you're going to be needing to use a bowl, and I'm going to be turning in the hot water into this. Okay, let it be very hot. As you can see, the flame is actually coming out, so it can actually help to induce the green tea. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to put in 1 bag of green tea. Okay, so you can see my water is pretty hot, so it actually induces very fast. So you do this till it induces very well. So I'm going to be right back and allow it to induce really well. Alright guys, so you can see the color has actually changes really well, and now would have to get rid of the green tea bag. Okay, so now the next thing is to put in the apple cider vinegar. Now you have to shake it very well, and the apple cider vinegar has to include the mother in it. Okay, so half tablespoon is okay for this quantity of water. You don't need too much of apple cider vinegar in your system. Okay, You can see how the quantity I'm using. Half tablespoon is okay. And also for the lemon, you would have to be squeezing in not too much of that, so you have to measure it, okay? You have to be squeezing in 2 tablespoons of the lemon. This is 1 full spoon, and then you squeeze in another one. Now this is another full spoon. Okay, just like I said earlier, the honey is optional. If you want this to work really well, skip the honey. But I'm going to be putting... Alright, so I'm just going to be putting the honey just to sweeten the taste, okay? This is completely optional. So you can put about 1 tablespoon of honey, okay? Then you stir it, okay, and stir the honey along with it. Now without the honey, this is actually going to be really sloppy, you know. It's going to be really sloppy. But with the honey, the taste is going to change drastically and a whole lot. Let me have a taste of this and tell you how it tastes. Wow, this tastes really good. But of course, without the honey, it's going to taste really awful. But of course, anything that tastes awful, well, it does the job for you really well. So 1 glass of this every day for the space of 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks, guys, okay? Because you don't need too much of lemon in your body, okay? And you don't need too much of the apple cider vinegar also. It has to be in a very little quantity, okay? So you take this very early before you eat anything, and then you can take it in the night. Now when you're taking it in the night, do not add the honey, just take it without the honey. Since it is natural, you can either take 1 or 2 glasses a day, and for a rapid result you can take 2 glasses a day, okay? And it's gonna be okay. But of course, when you're taking this, you would have to avoid eating some certain food, because this is actually not magic. There's no chemical in it, okay? So it's not gonna like do the magic for you. You have to work out for it. Like you prepare it, you drink it, you avoid some food, and poof, it works. And you are going to be seeing a whole lot of improvements. So that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and share, and I will come your way. Bye, guys.